And then there are some steps you can take to become an effective listener. Again, be ready and motivated. If you're sitting there with your phone or reading the newspaper, whether it's at work or with a companion or partner or husband or boyfriend, girlfriend, if you're sitting there with something else, you are not engaged. Even if you say, I'm listening, I can hear what you're saying, I can do two things at once, we really can't. And how does it make a person feel if you walk in to talk to them and they immediately put away their phone, put away whatever's on their desk, and look at you? That's really undivided attention. And that, remember, we talked this earlier today about body language. I'm sending such a signal of disinterest when I'm focused on something else. And so be ready and motivated to listen to that person. Listen to what they're saying. Interpret what their intention is. Try to understand that. Demonstrate some empathy, but avoid judgments. We all have our judgments. So there may be times you go to a meeting and you know that person never says or never speaks succinctly, and you know you don't agree with what he's going to say anyway, and you have all this judgment in your head that's really preventing you from listening. Try to suspend that.